This is Mahmoud Hassan Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view and all the dimensions are given in the isometric view. So first of all, I will start drawing from the front view. In the front plane, I will first draw a rectangle. And this rectangle has a vertical dimension of 54 plus 10 unit and a horizontal dimension of 38, and from that rectangle center point I'll draw this 19 radius circle like here. Then I'll trim the extra portion. Then I'll draw a extrude cut circle here of 19 diameter. Then I will extrude boss it to 125 unit. Then I will cut this extra portion from it. Okay, so first of all I'm selecting the front plane. Now sketch. Now select the center rectangle, place the rectangle to the origin. Now dimension it to 54 plus 10 unit by 38 unit. Now it's time for draw the circular profile. For that I will use the circle, then drawing a circle of 19 radius, and from that circle I will draw another inner circle that will be used as a extrude cut circle, and this extrude cut circle has a 19 diameter. Now I will select the trim option. Now I will trim all the unnecessary part. So I am selecting the part that I don't need. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 125 unit. Now press OK. So after we have done the extrude boss, now it's time for we need to cut this extra portion. For doing that, first I will draw this L shape. And for drawing this L shape, we can see it has a vertical dimension from here of 10 unit. Then we can see it has a dimension here, and this dimension is 16 unit. So this horizontal dimension here will be 38 minus 16 unit. Then another we have vertical dimension here, and this vertical dimension is 45 minus this 10 unit. So if we describe that, this length will be first of all 38 minus 16 unit, then this vertical distance that will be 45 minus 10 unit, then this horizontal line, this is 16 unit. Then I will close this shape, then I will extrude cut in this direction. Okay, selecting this face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now selecting line, and first of all I am drawing a horizontal line of 10 unit, drawing a vertical line of 10 unit. Then I'll draw a horizontal line of 38 minus 16 unit, then a vertical dimension of 45 minus 10 unit, then another horizontal dimension of 16 unit. Now it's time for closing the shape. For closing the shape I will use the convert entities tool. So selecting all the line. Okay, now use the convert entities. So you can see the line has been drawn. Now go to trim option to trim the unnecessary part. So I'm trimming the unnecessary part. Now it is shaded part. So we can now extrude cut this shaded part. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. And in here we can see that this extrude cut portion has 100 unit. So I'm setting the dimension to 100 unit. Now press OK. Now in our sketch we have a rectangular shape, and this rectangular shape has a dimension of 70 by 16 unit, and it has a horizontal distance from here to 16 unit and the vertical distance from here to 10 unit. And then I will extrude cut this into this direction. So I am selecting this face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select the corner rectangle. Now place the corner rectangle here and dimension it to 16 by 70 unit. After that select the smart dimension option. dimension it to here to 16 unit. Now dimension this line to this line to 10 unit. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude cut. Now extrude cut this portion. Now press OK. After that is the last one. We need to cut to extrude cut circle. For cutting this extrude cut circle, we can see that circle has a diameter of 13 unit and it has a this distance of 13 unit and this horizontal distance of 25 unit. Then I will use the linear sketch pattern of 50 unit to draw this another circle. So selecting this top face, now sketch, now normal to it. Now you can select the circle and draw a circle of 13 diameter. Now select smart dimension. Now dimension this to this vertical line. This will be 13 unit. And now again select the circle and dimension from this horizontal line. It will be 25 unit. Now press OK. Now I will use the linear sketch pattern to draw another circle. So I'm selecting the linear sketch pattern. Now select the entities, and in the x-axis we don't need any circle, so it will be 1, and in y-axis there will be 2 circle in total. So in y-axis, and their spacing is 50 millimeter. So dimension to 50 millimeter. So now press OK. Now we can see we have drawn our another circle. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut. Now press OK. As you can see, we have done our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.